protein. Loads of protein.
Hello, Angel Boy.
Ow.
What did your poop just do?
Dropped the toilet.
Is it funny?
And I did the volcano one.
You did do a volcano poo. Well done. Where are we going today?
To the jungle.
The zoo.
Mama, the jungle is a zoo.
Yeah. Ah, who's coming with us?
Granddad.
Nope.
Nana.
Nana. Be so fun. We're going to go on a train.
Like choo choo.
Yeah.
The train do go choo choo.
Do go choo choo.
Choo,
We
choo, choo,
are off
choo,
to Colchester Zoo today. I've never been, and my friend says it's massive and I need to take a buggy for Fox, and I don't have a buggy, so we shall see what happens there.
No,
Oh god, I thought he was going to jump on.
Tigers.
There might be tigers. I think there is tigers. We can probably have a look online and see what animals there is.
Rah, like tigers.
Rara likes tigers, does he? Good boy, Rara. Why are you so cute? Why are you so cute? Because what?
Because I thank you.
Because you is so cute. You like my kisses or no?
A little bit.
You like funny kisses, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
More?
Mm-hmm.
Right, should we get ready to go? I've made packed lunches already because we're going to have a picnic.
Yeah.
Because I imagine the
And then they come in,
Imagine
have
the-
a picnic,
Yeah. I imagine the food is going to be mega expensive.
We're having a picnic blanket.
Yeah. Oh god, he's so heavy. I need to finish getting dressed because this bit's done, but I've got no trousers on. So I need to get ready. I want to make sure the girls are ready for school tomorrow before we go, so then I don't have to rush around tonight. That's what I'm going to do now, actually. I'm going to get them to come up and sort their school stuff out.
The underwater tunnel.
This rises into the
Oh, look up there.
Oh, look, here he is.
They're gorgeous, aren't they?
Yeah. He is cute. What one?
They're called?
They're tangs. It's an angelfish, isn't it? Blue tangs, maybe? Oh, it'll say on that thing, look, Jane, there. Blue tangs, yeah. There's orangutans in here. These are super cool. Oh, he's talking to you. Oh my god, they're so cute. I want to steal one.
I'm fine.
Some food.
No, that's it.
Should we put you in with your family? Look, they're all down there. Zaria's family. Cute.
Lost Madagascar Express. If we could ask, whilst the train's in motion, if we could keep arms and legs inside the carriages, and if we could remain seated at all times. So we're going to be off on a bit of an adventure. It's going to be a non-stop trip today. We don't go into the Lima enclosure at this time of the year. But we can certainly head up the track, have a little look and see what is out and about this afternoon. So as we leave the station, just on the right hand side, you've got Tiger, home to our Amur tigers. Now these are the largest cats in the world, they're also one of the most endangered. Experts suggest that there's between 300 and 400 of them out there in the wild. So So they are subject to a very intensive conservation and captive breeding program that will hopefully bring them back from the edge of extinction. Now, with such small numbers, that is by no means certain, and it's worth noting that these days there are in fact more of these cats in captivity than there are out there in the wild. Now, we're actually part of a captive breeding program. We had although males will tend to get just a little bit larger than females. As you can see, they have a lovely thick fur coat. This is actually their winter coat. They've altered in the summer. They've regrown it. It's not going to get any thicker than that, but then it's also not going to go grey. Grey wolves can be pretty much in colour you would expect your average domestic dog to be, which is not a huge surprise really when you consider these are the dogs that's domesticated some 30.
Fussy, we found! We found! Giraffes! Wow. Let's go look, go, he's coming with you, Jane. Oh, zebras and the rhinos. Elephants over there, look.
Rhino car.
Oh, wow, look. And you can see.
Lisa, there's an ostrich.
Oh my god, these rhinos are massive.
There's a gazelle. There's a gazelle over there. Oh, an ostrich.
All the animals.
This is cool. And an elephant's over there.
Yeah, there's a gazelle. See? Big tiger.
Beautiful. Can you see it?
See how big his paws are.
Absolutely gorgeous. I love tigers.
Oh, girls, look, there's another one here. So, Foxy, there's one really close here, look. Foxy, look. There's one really close.
Nana, what's your favorite?
He's eating, look.
Nana, what's your favorite animal?